Hello and welcome to COVID-19 Today. I'm your host for the day, Jin Chen. It's 2 p.m. on Saturday, April 14th. For those of you who've joined us all week at 4 p.m., we thank you for tuning in and trusting us with your local news. We hope to share a glimpse of how this global pandemic is impacting our city, our residents, our businesses here in Torrance. We also hope to share your stories of survival and resilience during these times of uncertainty. City leadership and staff continue to dedicate their focus on ways to ensure your safety and well-being throughout this crisis. I invite you to email us at our new email address, covid19today@torranceca.gov. Tell us how you or someone you know are demonstrating how Torrance cares. Well, as you can see, I am not in the studio today. I'm planning to work from home over the weekend, where I am truly exercising social distancing. We hope you'll continue to join us over the weekend at 2 p.m. Let's get right into the numbers. The confirmed cases of the coronavirus have not updated just yet on the county's website. We should get those numbers shortly. As of noon today, the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in LA County comes to 4,566. We anticipate another few hundred to be added to today's total count in the next hour. Torrance was at 76 reported cases and no deaths. Now, these numbers are published on the LA County's public health website and updated between 2 and 3 p.m. And to clarify, the numbers in Torrance includes all Torrance zip codes, including addresses not within city boundaries. Los Angeles County is researching more potential testing sites and looking at industrial parts of Torrance as possible future locations. The South Bay Gallery, along with the Pomona Fairplex and Antelope Valley Mall, were the three most recent designations that included drive-up testing, which launched yesterday. These testing sites are limited to appointments only, the most vulnerable residents who are 65 and older, those who have underlying health conditions or have been subject to a mandatory 14-day quarantine. We will be sure to keep you updated on any new developments of a potential testing site here in Torrance. Los Angeles County Department of Public Health is offering advice for expecting mothers during the COVID-19 health crisis. Pregnant women should follow the same protocols for the general public to avoid infection. That includes social distancing, avoiding people who are sick, cleaning your hands often using soap and water or alcohol-based sanitizer. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is recommending expectant mothers with confirmed or potential COVID-19 some guidelines. Now, these are just recommendations. Those include considering giving birth without a loved one in the birthing room, putting a barrier to keep the newborn at least 6 feet from mom, or consider using a pump or wearing a mask when breastfeeding to prevent respiratory droplets from getting on the newborn. Now, as I mentioned, these are just recommendations. Research is ongoing, and experts and doctors say very little data is available yet that can explain or prove the impact of COVID-19 on pregnancy and newborns. You can find more information at cdc.gov. The city's Torrance Farmers Market was open again today to shoppers at Wilson Park. Staff said there was a constant flow of foot traffic at the certified farmers market with no major waiting in line from 8 a.m. until about 1 p.m. The market reopened a week ago with safety modifications in place. No prepared foods are sold. Samples are not offered. You'll find hand washing stations and hand sanitizer throughout the market as well. Vendors have been spaced out further apart as well. And the entrance and the market is staggered to help keep the market to a safe number of shoppers. Now, in case you missed the market today, they will be open again on Tuesday from 8 a.m. until 1 p.m. at Wilson Park. Well, whether it's the farmer's market or the grocery store, if you're headed out the door to pick up your week's essentials, the California Grocers Association has some safe shopping tips for you. The CGA says to visit the store when it's essential to buy only what you need for a week or maybe a little bit more than a week. Be creative in what you get and don't overbuy. Wash or disinfect your reusable grocery bags after each use for your safety. Some grocers are asking that shoppers bag their own groceries if you're using your own bag. And while some markets have temporarily banned reusable bags to be brought into their stores, help reduce store overcrowding and don't bring extra family members with you if at all possible. Practice social distancing and keep 6 feet apart from other shoppers and 2 grocery cart spaces between you and others. Inspect produce with your eyes, not with your hands, to avoid unnecessary touching of items. Try not to pick up products unless you plan to buy them. Don't crowd the check stand. Keep your distance while waiting in line, and wait until the customer in front of you has finished collecting their groceries before unloading yours onto the check stand. And allow for extra time. There may be some waiting involved to reduce crowding within the store. You can get more information on the California Grocers Association's website. Go to cagrocers.com. Well, during these uncertain times, El Camino College is offering a drive-through distribution of groceries and toiletries twice a week. In light of COVID-19, El Camino's Warrior Pantry expanded to create the Warrior Cupboard, a temporary service designed to safely provide vital assistance to those facing food insecurities. Students can come to campus with their student ID and pick up a prepackaged bag full of necessities. The grab-and-go bags are curbside service. They will deliver to students in their cars in compliance with social distancing rules. Now, while the community college campus is closed to the public and classes have transitioned to an online platform, the Warrior Cupboard program will be open from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tuesdays and Wednesdays in parking lot B near Manhattan Beach Boulevard. Staff members are wearing gloves and masks during the packaging and distribution process. All tents, chairs, and other furniture are disinfected regularly. The Warrior Pantry relies on donations from the community. The City of Torrance Transit Department proudly donated to the Warrior Pantry from the Stuff a Bus toy and donation drive over the holidays. The City of Torrance Cares to Go program successfully delivered 275 grocery bags since its launch on Tuesday. The Torrance Cares to Go program is designed to assist the city's most at-risk and vulnerable by offering a fee-based delivery service. A Cisco refrigerated container arrives daily to the Torrance Cultural Arts Center. Their staff are carefully packaging fresh produce and essential items. The cost is $55. You'll find about 18 items ranging from meat, poultry, fresh fruits and vegetables to cleaning supplies. Currently, there are about 600 people signed up for the delivery service. To learn more, go to cityoftorranceca.com/TC2GO. As most of America shelters at home and people are asked not to go anywhere unnecessarily, the demand for gas has plummeted, bringing gas prices down with it. According to the Automobile Club of Southern California, gas prices in the Golden State fell below $3 this week, with the national average falling below $2 for the first time in 4 years. According to GasBuddy.com, a GPS-based program providing prices of nearby gas stations, we found unleaded gas prices well below $3 here in Torrance. According to the app, the lowest unleaded gas we found was $2.45 at Sam's Club, $2.49 at Costco, $2.63 at Arco on Lomita near Crenshaw, and $2.74 at the 76 gas station near Torrance and Hawthorne Boulevard. AAA projects the national average could drop to $1.75 or less this month. The Old Torrance Neighborhood Association, or OTNA, printed and laminated signs with words of encouragement and thanks to the Torrance Police and Fire Departments and local hospitals. What a beautiful gesture for those working on the front lines. And global hotel chain Marriott is spreading the message of love during the coronavirus. Here in Torrance, on the north side of the hotel, you'll find rooms lit up in the shape of a heart. Marriott hotels around the globe are participating in this message of love. And at the end of each program, we'd like to share your story on how you and your family and friends and local businesses are all surviving this health crisis, whether it's something fun to pass the time or something special you're doing in the community. Today, we are sharing a photo from Wendy Ferrigno, who said her family is taking dance classes at home from Torrance's Fusion Studios, thanks to Zoom, helping her kids stay connected with friends and dance instructors. Thanks so much for sharing, Wendy. We love seeing these photos and videos that are being sent to us. Keep them coming so that we can share your story of how Torrance cares. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov. Well, that's our update for COVID-19 Today. We hope you'll continue to join us tomorrow at 2 p.m. If you have questions, please email them to us, and stay informed by signing up at torranceca.gov/Torrance Alerts. Be safe, stay healthy, and thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.